Hey everyone, today we're diving into Slimjaro, a weight loss product that's been creating a lot of buzz online. Is it a miracle solution it promises to be, or is it just another scam? Let's take a closer look. But quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research, so let's break down the facts before jumping to any conclusions. First, let's talk about the product itself. Slimjaro is marketed as a weight loss supplement claiming to help burn fat and boost metabolism. On their official website, they mention ingredients like Himalayan salt and others that supposedly support fat burning. However, there's a big disconnection between what's advertised and what's actually in the product. The promotional video mentions ingredients that are listed on the product's label, raising concerns about false advertising. Now let's talk about what customers are saying. The reviews on Trustpilot paint a concerning picture. With a 2.3-star rating based on only 9 reviews, a common theme in these reviews is poor customer service and difficulties with cancellations. One reviewer mentioned trying to cancel an order within an hour, but despite multiple attempts to reach customer support, they weren't able to get a response. Eventually, the company sent the product anyway, and even after receiving it, the reviewer struggled to get a refund. With misleading marketing and numerous customer complaints, I'm leaning toward the conclusion that Slimjaro may not be as legit as it claims. If you're considering trying it, be sure to do thorough research and maybe look into other weight loss solutions with a better reputation and proven results. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you decide whether Slimjaro is worth your time and money. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay informed, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.